Today is Nala's birthday, and her friends have decided to celebrate it by cooking a big lunch for her. All dressed up and ready to cook, Jenny and Isa have everything they need to surprise the birthday girl. Prepare tasty meals for all your friends with Our Generation's food line. Filled with cooking accessories, pizza, cake, cupcakes, ice cream, and many more delicious treats. You can also handpick vegetables from the garden to make fresh salads for a picnic. Enjoy the yummiest moments with Our Generation's food line. Uh-oh, Isa can't find one of the ingredients she needs to cook lunch, and the market is closed today. What will happen to Nala's surprise? Suddenly, Jenny has a great idea. Jenny and Isa are going to invite Nala to the Great Food Truck Park. There, they can celebrate with delicious meals and a sweet dessert. Serve up smiles and yummy adventures with Our Generation's fully stocked food trucks. Each vehicle plays fun sounds, has chalkboards to write down menu specials, amazing details, and includes a collection of your favorite treats. How fun! Lorelai and Macy take the orders. It's a beautiful day, and Nala couldn't be happier. What a wonderful birthday celebration between friends! The tacos are delicious. And for dessert, they each have scoops of yummy ice cream. Spending the day at the food truck park was awesome. Nala is so grateful for her friends. Sometimes, a good idea is the best ingredient for a great recipe. Isa has just opened up her new pizza shop, and it's a big success. She's getting more orders than she can prepare. How will she keep up? Baking pizza is so much fun. Put on the apron, add tasty toppings, and slide it into the oven. While it cooks, you can take more orders from customers. Then when it's ready, take the pizza out and serve each slice. Delicious! Everyone in the neighborhood loves Isa's pizzas. But after so much baking, she's starting to feel tired. The deliveries are arriving late, and some of the pizzas are missing their toppings. It looks like Isa needs an extra helping hand. Suddenly, she gets a great idea. She'll call up her best friends and ask them to work together as a team. Since Leo likes riding his bicycle, he could take care of the deliveries. And Gloria will make sure everyone's pizza is perfectly topped. Special delivery! Pack the pizza in the pizza box and place it into the basket with more delicious foods. Then pedal away to deliver every order on time. A chat between friends and everything is solved. They quickly divide the tasks and see that they make a great team. Leo delivers Isa's delicious pizzas all over the neighborhood. Gloria is very organized when she prepares each order. It's time to eat. Create a beautiful restaurant scene with the tablecloth, plates, cutlery, and glasses. Then add pretty flowers as an extra sweet decor. After a long day of pizza prepping, everyone is feeling tired. But Isa has another great idea. She's going to make one more special pizza to thank her excellent team. There's no better way to end the day than by enjoying a tasty meal with friends. It's always important to remember that good things are meant to be shared.
pizza, please.
Of course. Anything else?
No, thanks.
A tasty pizza is ready.
Excellent.
Enjoy.
Thanks.
You're welcome.
Fantastic. Hello. Excellent. Delicious. Thank you.
Goodbye.
Delicious. Hi.
A pepperoni pizza, please.
Good.
Anything else?
It's okay.
Here is your order.
Everything looks delicious. Thank you. Enjoy. Very tasty. We got